Alright guys, in today's content we're going to be talking about how to use your web page products for your marketing purpose, as well as how to utilize all those in your social media platform. So we have the Instagram. You can also do that with your Facebook page. It doesn't matter at all. It all depends on how you're going to be working around and what are the social media platforms that you use. So the first thing that we want to check here is the product that you want to list out first. So what will be the product that you're going to be promoting, right? So there's going to be a lot of products that you want to promote. So at the same time, you just have to make sure that this product or something that you actually really want to promote, correct? So without that, you won't be able to make it kind of a proper promotions, basically. So let's say you have something in your appetizer, something in your main course, or something in your entree, or you have a beverage, let's say soda, ice cream, and all those things. You want to promote it. So now let's get into the first thing that you will need here is the main page. So this is what you need, right? So I'm assuming this is going to be your website main page, right? So if this is going to be your main page, you have already some products attached to your website. Now what happened here is that you want to pick it up. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to be your appetizer, entrees, main course, or some sort of a beverage or a dessert. You can do whatever the product that you wanted, right? So once you have all those things, you're going to create one website page, basically one web page that is going to be a very separate offer page, right? So now this can be part of it. Let's say if you're using WordPress or any website page which is going to be more of your easy CMS platform, then it's very easy, right? So what you do is, let's say you have this main website, you have your product now that you want to promote it. I would say don't go beyond like 5 products that you want to promote, because it just clutters the whole thing and kind of very confusing sometimes. So these are going to be your weekly promotions or daily promotions, but if you do a daily, it's going to be a little bit of work for you guys. So if you don't have a team, but if you want to do it like a weekly, I would suggest you to do a weekly. If not, if you want to do a monthly promotions, that's good as well, right? So now you have your main page here. These are the product that you want to promote it, and at the same time, what you do is you create one separate page, basically. That's going to be your offer page, and each product that you want to promote it, you're going to just put it up here, right? So just write whatever the promotions, the contents that you want to put in there, and these are going to be your products. So let's say this is going to be your appetizer, this is going to be your main course, or whatever the entree, beverage, right? And this is going to be a beverage, and this is going to be your the last product. So you're going to just list only 4 items, okay? Because this is the top 4 items that you want to promote it with some sort of hook. So when I say the hook, these are the hook, right? The coupons, the offers on the sales, whatever that you want to do. So this guy, what we have here is these are the hook, right? Okay, so now what happened here is that you have your product now that you want to promote, like 4 or 5 products. Okay, now then you're going to put this guy here. So the good thing is that you just have to put the image, okay? Just put the image, but you're going to be just using the same link, the link from this main menu, right? The link is going to be the same. It just, we are going to change the front end part, which is going to be just the image. The background link is going to be the same. So basically, it's just going to be like customers are ordering directly from your main website. But because this website has a lot of information and it's not in easy access, right? So what we are trying to do here with the promotion product is that we are trying to provide an easy access page, and to be very specific on the promotion product that we have. So that is our main goal, right? And also this is to monitor that if that new product, let's say if you have a new product for the week or for the month, or you want to offer something to the customers, right? Say for example, you have an appetizer and you want to test this appetizer is really in demand or not. Why are do people want to buy this product or not? So in these cases, you can just promote it, see if this product is being preferred by a lot of your audience. If not, then you can always change your appetizer. Sometimes because you end up having a lot of appetizers, and there's some product that has a very short shelf life, and you don't want to keep all those things in your business. So if your audience does not prefer, you don't push those products. You are there to make the business, not to, provide the what you think is good, but you are there to make your customers wanting your product, and at the same time you want to rotate your inventory. Basically, that means that you want to sell as much as you can. So that's the whole purpose, right? So you want to test your product, only the testing product. You want to see, you want to keep all these things here at the end. Like I said, you're gonna have the background link at the back end link to the same side, the table for this image, and in the background when you say order now, when they click the order now here, right? I'm gonna just say this guy, right? So let's say this is order now page. What happened here is that the link will go to the same website, and the customer will be able to purchase from the main website. So basically what you need to do is that you don't have to have a separate gateway payment system or a different category of list of product, because you are just going to be using linking to the main page, the main product. But the first part is that you are just going to minimize as much as you can to focus specifically on the promotion product. So now what you do here is that in each product that you have here, right, you want to add some sort of a coupon, like 10% discount, 20% discount, or if you want to keep it like some combo price, whatever. It is up to you how you want to come with that, right? So, but these are the offers. You have to put the offers. If you do not do the offer, there is no use of this promoting this thing, because if you are promoting some product, it should also go with the offers. The offer has to be some sort of discount in terms of purchase on the particular product or the entire product. So the discount can go with one product or the entire product, basically. So now let's say you have 4 products in this case. You're going to come up with and integrate everything, but in the back end, when the customer places the order, it's going to go to the main website page, and the checkout page is going to be the same as it is in the main page. So now what happened here is that how you're going to promote it, right? This is the website setup page for now, but when you have to do the social media marketing platform, right, this is something that you have to know. Now this offer page that we have here, right? So this offer page, once you set it up, there's going to be a web link, right? This is a web link that you're going to use in your social media platform. So I'm just going to take this as a web link, and we are going to use this web link here, right? This is your Instagram page, so this is going to be your web link, which is where you're going to put this, not the main page. The main page, we are not worried about the main page, but this page that you have built it up, right? For the promotion of the product only, this page link we're going to use here. Okay, so now once customer clicks in, they should be able to see this page, correct? So that's how it's going to work. Now what happened here is that how this is the actual system, how it's going to work. But what you want to do is that, say, now you want to promote your product, correct? So let's say these are the products. Each product has their own promotions code. Let's say this one has this product code. Let's say 50%, 20%, 10%, right? Each one has their own code. So now in your Instagram page, on a daily basis, you're going to be posting each content here. Right here, let's say this. I'm going to just take a brighter color here. So let's say this is going to be your first post, second post, third post, right? This can be a weekly program. It's going to be much more fun to do it, right? That's the reason why you will need social media marketing people or an agency to work for you. If you do not have the manpower, I'm just saying, right? So these are the ads with the coupon on the image, right? So for example, you have this offer image, and this is going to be, let's say, this is going to be your post picture, and this here is going to be your offer code. So in this case, I would say create with your POS system an offer code, right? And attach, or say write down those code in each product. So what happened here is that if the customer wants to buy this product with the code that you provided, they can click in the image, and in that content say link in bio. So basically what it means is that when the customer clicks in, they will be able to check into the link in bio. So when they click on the bio, it'll go to this page, and they remember. And now in this page, in your one menu page, right, you still have to have those the discount offers. So this image, what you have here in the post over here, the same image should be like this, so that the customer do not forget what was the code that was offered for this particular product. So the customer clicked this product, and as we mentioned, the link is going to be attached with the with the website. So the way it works is you have your promo product. Customer clicks onto your link in bio. This is the product page, link page for this one, and once the customer click on this page, the product basically, and it's going to go here, and then the customer will be able to check out. When they check it out, it's going to show that thanks for ordering whatever that you have put in there, and at the same time the space for the code, you're going to provide this code and they will be able to check out. So basically this framework is for people who do not want to do ad marketing basically. So what is the purpose of your ad marketing, right? The purpose of your ad marketing is to gain more traffic to your website or place an order. But sometimes it is very confusing for consumers to click just onto your website and browse around. I would say like not many people do that. So what you see right now is what you want. Basically, that's how it works, right? The instant demand is always it's in the head of people, So and it's in nature. So the best way to create that system, instead of spending a lot of money on your ad marketings or say social media ad marketings, you can create this layout, this system. The only workload that you need to put into this is you have to design this offers and also update the offer page with the product, whatever that you want to design. So this product, whatever the main product that you have here, you want to just promote it. If the customer are buying, let's say directly from the website, there is no image there. So if they want to offer, basically the offer is to indicate them that there is a coupon for that particular product. So if they come up to the website directly and they do not find that coupon, they're going to be paying the full price. But let's say if they've been following your social media, and that's one of the reasons why you should allow people to invite people to follow your social media, because the price what you offer in the social media platform is sometimes different than what you do, because that's where your community is engaged, and that's what you want your customer to engage with you at the same time, right? Not just simply browse around on your web page. And I mean, if they want to go for a bulk product or something like that, that's okay, right? But if they are looking for some sorts of new products, new promotions, your social media should be the main platform where they should be able to get all those kind of deals and offer of your product. So because when they come to this bio thing, and when they only follow your web page or your social media platform, that's where you post the recent content, right? So that's where you see all this content. So basically, if they see this content, then that means that this content applies the code. So that also means once they check out, they have this special, not a secret, but part of the being as a follower on the social media platform, they get that incentive, right? So that's one of the ways that you can create this framework. This is not only just for a restaurant business, but if you have any products or any services that you do. So if you're a lawnmower roof installer, I don't know how they call it, or if you're an automobile mechanic, or if you have a retail products or any business, you can always do that. So this is one of the ways that you will be able to cut costs a lot of money in promoting your products through a social media platform, the ad marketing in Instagram or social YouTube or Facebook. Because you have to understand, right? So what is the amount that you're going to be putting in there? So when you advertise your Facebook product, what do? Most of the people, the restaurants, what they do is they just put the main website link, right? So it's just like you're going to be throwing out of the same website link, and you're expecting people to browse around on all the 30 to 40 to 100 products. That's going to consume time. You're going to lose interest. You don't want to get the customers to just drive off from that main page. So instead of that, you want to get an instant demand and supply. You got to create that chain, that system. So the best way to do is invite your if you're doing like a social media marketing, basically the Facebook ads and all those things, I would say promote your Facebook page or TikTok page or your Instagram page, so that people are more engaged in your social media platform. Because if you are not able to drive people more into your social media platform, that means you don't have direct communications or link or a system to communicate with your audience. So every time you want to do something, you have to spend more than thousands and thousands of dollars on your ad campaign, which you don't want to do it, right? So what you want to do is just spend a little bit money on building the community. So once your community is add up in your following list, communicate with them directly with these little promotions that you have. So I hope that you understand this concept. And now again, if you're if you're a restaurant owner or if you're a service provider, you can always use this. But we help you out on a restaurant business. Here I can tell you many people, they just know a basic of this ID, computer stuff, a little framework of system applications. They charge this 2,000 to 3,000 for this application. Well, I don't know, man. Why should somebody charge? Because they do not know nothing about it. Here's the thing: if you have to hire somebody to do this every now and then, how much would they take? So to integrate all this system shouldn't take more than like a day, right? But then if you're doing this on a weekly basis, so that basically means that it's a 4-day work. So you should be spending no more than, let's say, if you are asking somebody for a day, when I say, let's say, count it as a 10-hour, right? So if you're paying somebody for $25 per hour to set up the whole design, everything, right? Well, you might not necessarily get it because I know it, right? Somebody would say, oh no, I have to create the whole page, oh, I have to create the whole, like, it's also technical, they're going to throw all those jargons that you don't want to hear. And then they would say, oh no, I have to create the coupon code with the POS and have to design all those things. So they might just hike the price per hour, maybe like $50, But that's the reason. So if you are saying, let's say if you're using your in-house guy, and they might not be able to deliver this in 10 hours. I can bet you on that. And if they can do it, they wouldn't be working for you guys, man. To be serious, right? Because these things actually need time. But we can do this in a very cheaper price because we have a team, good team, and for us, we divide each person to allocate, and one guy would design the whole thing. One guy would work with you to create the coupon code with your POS system. On the other side, the guy will be working on the web page. So we have a team member who can work around on this thing. That's the reason we were able to help people and businesses, and that's the reason why our price is like a 25 to 30% off the total market value, right? So, like I said, if you have to hire somebody to do this thing on a weekly basis, they might charge you for like $500. So think in this way, that you have to do this for 4 times in a month, that you end up spending $2,000 in a month. Now, let's say you have to invite or build a community at the same time, and you are trying to drive more traffic towards your social media platform, and for that you run the ad campaigns. It goes up to 2,500 to 3,000 easily, right? So, but if you want us to work around on these things, we do not charge that crazy. But yeah, we can work around half price of those things as well. But again, it depends on what you need. So feel free to call us. If you have questions, so please feel free to message me on the comment section as well. If not, then you can email to us at support@samheirmedia.com. You can also mail me at same@samheir.com, so our team will be able to help you out on this thing. So if you're a restaurant, feel free, because right now we have a campaign that is for restaurant business only. And that's what we kind of focus mostly, and so if you are planning to start a new business, or you want to launch a new product, if you want to launch a new location, or if you want to upgrade your business, or if you want to expand your business and you want to distribute, your license, everything like a franchise model, licensing model, we do that, right? So feel free to contact us. We will be able to help you out. But in the meantime, if you kind of thought about how do I kind of build it up the entire system for my business, feel free. Do not hesitate to contact us. There's nothing wrong. Well, we want to actually work with you, not just for one or two projects, but the entire business life cycle of yours, right? So that's the reason we want to kind of build more of a longer relation with you guys. And so if you have questions, feel free to share your comments and thoughts. At the same time, if you guys want to learn more about this, please do follow and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to tell you, this is something that I love to do, and I'm very passionate about it. That's the reason I kind of know a lot of things on how to integrate. So I have good knowledge about it, and I should be able to help you out on your business. It doesn't matter menu engineering, menu planning, or location, new location research, analysis, SWOT analysis for if you're planning to start like a coffee business, whatever the food truck business or brick and mortar business, or you end up planning to start your virtual business. That is something which I'm very interested in as well. So feel free to contact me. Right. So I hope this information was a little bit helpful for you today. So if you like it, please do share your comments, your feedback, and do like the the channel, and share it to your friends, folks, or somebody who you think would be interested in this kind of content. And I will really appreciate your support. All right, guys. Until the next content, you all have a good day. Take it easy. Bye for now.